Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Pier's team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you've never visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. We are out here on the final day of our One Pier project in Independence, Missouri. We have just finished installing our King Pier 1 underneath the footing inside this garage. As you can see, we still have our two 30-ton bottle jacks that we're going to unlock and pull out of the hole. We just finished hammering in our steel shims to lock that pier into place. You can see here we have we were looking for a roughly 3/8 inch raise. We ended up getting a 1/2 inch just to make sure everything was good. This crack did close up really well, and this corner of the door, we had the customer standing right here with us and could see that that corner was brought back up. So everything is looking good. We'll get the jacks pulled out of the hole. Concrete will be arriving here momentarily in the next 15-20 minutes, and we'll get that final pour of concrete to fully encase that pier in high-strength concrete under the footing, and we'll also go ahead and pour back these sections here that were previously saw cut and removed. So for all your foundation pier needs, please don't ever hesitate to give us a call. You can always reach us directly at 1-816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And again, don't forget, you can always visit us on our YouTube and Facebook channels, King Piers LLC. Thank you.